your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we finally cracked the 70-degree mark with a lot of sunshine out there. Right now we're at 73 degrees. We have a dew point value that comes in at 60, which makes it feel pretty comfortable when you have that much of a spread in the temperature dew point. The dew points are in the 60s. It feels great out there. We'll watch for that temperature to continue to climb, probably as we get pretty close to the 80-degree mark. Similar to what we saw yesterday, maybe a degree cooler. We're looking at fairly calm winds out there right now, so a much better day for boating, I will say that. 75 degrees in Wauchula, Arcadia, 74 in Mayaca City. Bradenton comes in at 74, 72 in Venice. Northport comes in at 75. And in Punta Gorda, we have 75 degrees as well. This represents about a 3 to 5 degree drop in temperature from 24 hours ago at this time. So you can see the effect that the little bit of cloud cover had this morning in terms of just getting us off to a slower start in terms of warming things up. We have a trough of low pressure that is sinking southward, a frontal boundary at the surface, and another one back behind it, still in the Pacific Northwest. Both of those will be influencing our weather before the week is over. This one actually comes through tomorrow, or at least kind of washes out over us tomorrow. It's not going to do a whole lot, and you'll hardly know that it's in the neighborhood, with the exception that it just kind of helps to reinforce this nice, pleasant weather that we have been having for several days now. It sinks southward. We'll wait for that one back to the west, but this one sinks southward and then just kind of fades away as high pressure bridges over it. So by Friday afternoon, it's gone. It's out of the picture. It has washed away, and we're left with this big ridge of high pressure again, providing us with some lovely weather. And that continues on through Saturday. Then as we head into Saturday night, Sunday morning, particularly, that next front back to the west will be on our doorstep, and that one will bring us a chance of rainfall during the early part of Sunday, I think. And then winds will pick up a little bit, and we'll usher in another high pressure ridge, but this one will be just a little bit cooler. So mostly sunny skies for the remainder of the day. Low relative humidity, relatively speaking. Seasonable temperatures around as well, coming in the upper 70s to near 80. All in all, it's going to be another one of those beautiful November days. Nothing, no problems at all. Such is not the case over on the other coast, with that north wind or that northeasterly wind. They have just had a persistent problem here with this little troughiness that's existed right along the eastern seaboard. And all the rain showers they've had really from Kennedy Space Center down to the Florida Straits. It's been kind of a dreary week for them with on and off cloud cover and drizzle and that sort of thing. We haven't had any of that, and we're not going to have any again today. It'll be another dry day for us despite those morning clouds. Across the nation, if you are traveling today, the Northeast is having a little bit of problems with rain showers and some snow showers in the down east Maine. And then back to the west, still coastal areas. Portland may see a little bit of a delay because of some gustier winds and some rain showers there. But this whole system is now on the march finally and moving in a direction that will eventually take it closer to us on Sunday. So the Futurecast continues to show fair weather for us today, and then that northeasterly wind continuing on. Clear skies on Saturday. Should be a beautiful day on Saturday, and then we'll wait Sunday for this next front to the north to approach us and bring us that slight chance of a rain shower or two. As far as the forecast goes for boaters, north wind at about 15, becoming more northeasterly. Look for a moderate chop with 2-foot seas. And the forecast calls for daytime highs in the upper 70s, that chance of a Sunday shower. And then as we head into next week, we'll start off a little bit cooler. We'll start to warm up pretty dramatically. On Wednesday, we'll have a chance of rain showers as a frontal boundary approaches. And then on Thanksgiving Day, it's still a little early to tell, but I think we'll clear out on Thanksgiving Day, though there is still some high uncertainty, I guess you would say, in terms of what some of the computer models are suggesting. Could be a little wetter. So we'll wait. We'll see where we find that forecast. Scott?